Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today I want to go over how to get started with your new marketing applet within the Command platform. So if you've logged into Command today, you'll notice that the Designs applet has gone away. And the Campaigns applet is now showing as marketing. What this means is that KW has combined the Designs applet and the Campaigns applet to be a little more streamlined and have put them all in one place, okay? So we're going to go ahead and jump into that marketing applet. And when we do that, you're going to see that you have kind of a new dashboard here. Okay, so you of course have your dashboard. You still have access to paid ads like you would have within the campaigns. You still have access to emails for email campaigns. You now have the designs here. We're going to take a look at that in a second. It does look a little different. You do still also have access to social post campaigns and direct mail campaigns. Okay. And you can click through these and kind of look at them. Paid ads will, of course, redirect you to the paid ad portion. And then we'll go back. And we'll give it a second to load here. And you can also go into emails. So now within emails, you'll still find your email campaigns, any past campaigns that you've sent. And this is, of course, where you can still come in and kind of create those, okay? Now, next to campaigns, you're also going to see those designs, okay? Now, designs is now strictly limited to email designs, okay? So you should still be able to access any previously created email designs. You can still create new email designs, and you can get started with those the same as they were previously, okay? You, of course, can still access your social posts and create those posts. And you can also still create those direct mailers to go out, okay? Now, the main difference with this is there is no longer print marketing or social marketing within Command, okay? You're going to use the Create in Canva to create those going forward, okay? And that should redirect you automatically to your KW Canva account where you can get started on creating those marketings to use within the Command platform, okay? So lots of exciting new updates here with this. We'll have some more tip videos coming out soon on the other ways to create those different types of marketing and how to use Canva now instead. But if you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We do hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you later.